Hey guys, good morning. Don't mind my crazy ass hair, I just woke up. But guess what, guys? I almost had a rough start to the day. My coffee pot's broken. So I'm like, how am I gonna have coffee without having to go out and buy it? Because it's freezing. Temperatures dropped back into the low 40s here. We were getting 70, almost 80-degree days, and now it dropped back down into 40. But let me show you what I'm doing since my coffee pot broke. I boiled some water. Hopefully this works out. Looks like it's working out just fine. I'll be back in a second. We'll make sure there's no grinds in it. Everything turned out great, guys. The devil said, I'm going to ruin your day. And Jesus said, honey, I taught this child how to improvise. She will overcome. You will not ruin the day. Nice, steaming hot. Let's see how hot it is. 88, so 86. Damn, I hate this. It's Celsius, so we got to double that. 6 and 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 8 and 8, 16. 172? I don't believe that. Let me taste this. I did that wrong, didn't I? Did I do that wrong? Somebody tell me in the comments. Says 86 and 86, 172? Oh, yeah, that's probably 172. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a good day.